Today we talk about how can you disable error notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options. So you just click on it. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. So just click on it. Then come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, come here to error, just click in this sign. Then like you see this sign show for us here, that's mean error notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.